Hi all, this is Mrs. Sujata. A child got this book for show and tell today. The title of the book is Dirt. It is a Peak of Lap book written by Jack Redwing, illustrated by Jen Taylor. The farm is waking up after a long winter. As the last bits of snow melts away, flowers sprout from the dirt and the trees and shrubs begin to bud. Spring is here. This is forsythia plant, a rabbit, fans, azalea, a cow. When we say dirt, we mean soil. Soil is made from small bits of things like plants, animals, and rocks. Soil provides food for plants and helps them grow. This is a pole barn, dirt, a farmer. Soil, roots, snow, above ground, underground. Let me open the first flap. What's inside the pole barn? A tractor. The farmer helps the tractor ready for the busy planting season ahead. Insects and animals make tunnels in the soil that let air and water move around. This makes the soil healthy. This is an earthworm. It's time to plant the fields when the weather is warmer. The soil is no longer muddy. The tractor pulls a mounted planter that plants the seeds. What will this year's crop be? This is a mounted planter. This is a tractor. How does a planter work? These are wind turbines. Pasture. What's on the pasture? A cow and a calf. The farmer is planting field corn. It will be used to make animal feed, cereals, and fuel. You see apple trees. And here it shows how the planter works. The planter digs trenches spaced perfectly apart and carefully plants each seed. These are crows. Sunlight, water, and the soil nourish the corn seeds called kernels. Soon strong stalks will sprout and ears of corn will begin to form. These are the ears of corn. This is a border collie. It likes to chase around with birds. Removing trees is an important part of helping a forest stay healthy. Powerful feller bunchers use their sharp saws to cut trees before skidders clear them away. These are the logs. This is the skidder. Pine trees. This is feller buncher. Small tree seedlings are planted in the soil where the cut trees once stood. Trees are a great natural resource for building materials because we can grow more trees to replace what we use. Pine tree seedlings are here. Tree branches. This is a tree stump. This is a pine forest. Pine trees grow fast and straight and make a very durable wood. Newly planted tree. This is a bucket, arm, dump truck, excavator. What's in the wheelbarrow? It's mulch that will be put on the ground. Everyone is hard at work at the construction site. The crawler dozer levels the earth with its large blade. The excavator uses its long arm and bucket to load dirt into the dump truck. What could they be building? Crawler dozer. This is a loader. Lumber. It's a new playground. It is made from reused and recycled things. The tire swing is reused from a tractor. The slide is made from recycled plastic bottles. And the playset is made from the pine we just saw harvested. This is a tire swing. You see the tire swing here? Here. Yeah. It's mulch that will be put on the ground. The mulch is made from leftover bits of wood. It makes the ground under the playset nice and soft. You see, there's mulch around the tires. It is autumn in the park. The mower cuts and mulches the grass, which provides food for the soil. The tractor collects leaves to compost for fertilizer. Neighbors tend to their community garden plots and fix up the bridge. Mower, a duck. Do you see ducks in the stream? Tractor with leaf sweeper. This is a community garden where you can see pumpkins, cabbage, squirrels, and children and adults helping them. The park is a great place to enjoy plants and animals in their natural habitat or home. This is a bridge that they are fixing to cross the stream. And there's a frog too. The stream is home to many animals in the park and provides fresh drinking water for others. Keeping it clean keeps everyone healthy. What are all the animals you see in the stream or by the stream? Frog, turtle, ducks, squirrel, and that's it. Back at the farm, winter is coming. The stalks of corn have dried. A combine harvests the crop and loads it into the grain tank. The corn is taken to the silos and later will be ground into feed for animals. This is a farmhouse. This is a combine. This is a grain tank. Tractor. How will the field go from looking like this to looking like this? Let's see. It's a tractor, grain tank. The tiller breaks up the soil because you see the soil is patched. What does the tiller do? It breaks up the soil so that it will be ready for planting again next spring. Every living thing on earth depends on soil. It provides food and shelter for all creatures, and it all starts with dirt. Now, what is a silo? You see these cylindrical structures with a cone on top? It's a tall metal bin where the corn is stored and dried for the winter. And these are silos. The end. Hope you enjoyed the book. See you in another book. Bye-bye.